Today we are going to focus on simplifying fractions using factoring. So what does it mean to simplify a fraction? Simplifying a fraction is just rewriting a fraction using the smallest numerator and the smallest denominator without changing the value of the fraction. So let's start with 1/2. We're going to work backwards. 1/2 is simplest form. What does it look like? We have two equal parts, as equal as I can make it, one shaded region. So we have 1/2. Okay, how do we make this into 2/4? Well, if we divide this into 4 equal parts, the shaded region remains the same, but the number increases because we divided it into more parts. So you now see that there's 2. So it's 2/4, which is equal to 1/2. Now, a little bit confusing, so we're going to actually use factoring. Now, let us start with, let's say, 4/10. I'm going to divide this into 10 equal parts as best as I can. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In order to make 4/10, let's shade in 4 sections, 2, 3, and 4. So we can write this as 4/10. How do we write this in simplest form? Well, how do we make 4? We know that 2 times 2 is equal to 4. How can we write out 10? 5 times 2 equals 10. Do you see any common factors? Yeah, we have 2 as a common factor. So let's remove our 2 common factors. Once we remove our 2 common factors, we are left with 2/5. So we can write 4/10 in its simplest form is 2/5. All right, let's give it another try. Let's say we want to have 6 equal parts. Let's try this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I have to add a 6th part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And we're going to do 4/6. So let's shade in 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can write this out as 4/6. Let's factor 4 like we did last time when we said 2 times 2 is 4. And how can we factor out 6? 3 times 2 is 6. Again, the common factor in both is 2. So let's remove the common factor, and we are left with 2/3. We can write this 4/6 simplified is 2/3. Happy factoring!